Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, congratulations to all the organizers for bringing us all together. Congratulations, Newport Mall, for this, I know, going to be a successful event. Thank you for bringing us together, all the car enthusiasts, the dealerships, the dreamers, all the guests here. For me, all these cars, motorcycles are not just machines, they're symbols. As I always say, I'm not a big car enthusiast, but for me, getting and achieving all of these cars are symbols for me, symbols of progress, of freedom, how far that I've come. I want to share that I didn't grow up surrounded by all these luxury vehicles. I didn't have any collection. We didn't have any cars. But I had a dream, and I held on to that dream. I had a vision. Someday that I may drive my dream, maybe help others drive theirs too. And thankfully, blessed by God, I not only got some of my dream cars, but also a dealership. Some dealerships. I think that's what this event is all about. It's not about the design or horsepower, but it's a celebration of passion, purpose, and perseverance. I'd like to encourage everyone to go around, look at the beautiful cars, motorcycles, different dealerships, because I think most of the cars have their own stories. And maybe most of you will get inspired just like how I was inspired when I was young. That's it. I hope we enjoy tonight, and let's make this event memorable. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.